Just when you think the best robot sander in the world couldn't get any better, we thought of something else. Check this out. So you already know that we have the only robotic sander that sands the edges of your panels. That's not new news. Still totally cool. But did you know we now not only sand the edges, but we break the corners? Look at that. We added a small 2-inch orbital to give you a perfect corner break every time. And look at that. The camera won't do it justice, but it's beautiful. Well, I hope you're as excited about that one as we are. We couldn't wait to show everybody. And just like a good infomercial, I have to say, but wait, there's more. We added a veneer sanding module that's gonna blow your mind. Stay tuned for that one.